Although Barangay Pineda in Pasig City faced few minor incidents, the authorities defended that the area did not deserve to be under the top 10 election watch list.
Sir, kamusta naman po yung voting process po dito?
Oh, maluwag. Maganda ngayon. Maluwag siya. Ever since I've been voting for quite some time, ngayon isa sa pinakamaluwag.
So far, the voting activity in Pineda Elementary School is very clean and very, I think the people are very honest. I think so, ha? Pero hindi pa tapos yan. Hanggang mamaya pa ng bilangan, 3 o'clock.
Actually, dito, peaceful naman. So far, wala namang untoward incident.
Sir, yung ano po, kasi po nabanggit po kanina na ang Barangay Pineda daw, tagged as an area of concern. Hanggang ngayon po ba?
Sabi ko nga po ay sa kasalukuyan since nung Saturday until this present time, peaceful, tahimik na tahimik. Ibabatay po sa ibang barangay. Tahimik naman ang Pineda.
Inquirer.net staff was asked for assistance by retired Colonel Dominador Garcia, who came in a wheelchair.
Kailan po siya huling bumoto?
Yearly, bumoboto.
Bakit? Last year po ba? Nung huling election po ba napayagan?
Bumoto yan.
Pero hindi po nagkaroon ng conflict naman po last elections. Bakit po ngayon nagkakaroon tayo? Bakit po ngayon nagkakaroon tayo
Problema.
na yung sa ano po? Yung hindi sila
yung
maghahalaw.
Sa
Opo.
pagkakasakit.
Dito lang po. For both Quezon City and Pasig, generally elections were peaceful. And this is the outcome we expect for the upcoming elections. This is Julian Des